time has come, our life is changing. Getting used to all this rearranging.
Love, thank you. Thank you for everything.
You and me,
I know our relationship is not perfect. We are not perfect. But I know God given us a chance to meet each other, and that made us perfect for each other.
This chapter has ended, let a new one begin. I think back and smile at the memories within. Yeah, we found our way.
At sa inyong pagpapakabuti at pagpapakabait, Giancarlo at Jeverly Ann, dito ninyo mapapalago, mapapalalim, at mabibigyan ng magandang kulay at kahulugan ang inyong pagsasama bilang mag-asawa.
A new day, a new adventure.
Nagsimula kami, nakita ko siya sa FB ata, hindi ako nagkakamali. Tapos nag-try lang akong i-chat siya.
Then after that, ayun, nag-message na siya sa akin.
Tapos medyo mabilis din yung galawan ko. Inaya ko agad siya, sabi ko, pag break time mo, mag-McDo tayo.
And then nag-start yung everyday na yung pag-uusap. And then, here we are now.
This chapter has ended, let a new.
Tatandaan ninyong dalawa, Gian at Jeverly, na kayo ay nag-aalay ng inyong sarili sa isa't isa.
We found our way through the dark. And made a man.
Ang kulay ng pag-ibig ni Jesus ay pula dahil buhay ang ibinigay ni Jesus para ipadama ang kanyang pagmamahal. Red represents the blood and the life of God sacrificed for us. Bukal ba sa iyong kalooban ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib itong si Giancarlo na iyong pakamamahalin at iyong paglilingkuran habang ikaw ay nabubuhay?
Opo, Father.
Life is short, for goodness sake.
Lesson in life, sa 6 years namin naging, siguro mas naging understanding, patient akong tao. Kasi yun yung tinuro niya sa akin. Ganun siya.
Si Jesus, Diyos, kaya wala na yang hinihingi sa atin na kapalit, maliban na tayo magpakabuti at magpakabait.
I promise to love you without reservation, comfort you in times of distress, encourage you to achieve all your goals, and I will always be by your side. Remember that, always.
And love, I promise to love you without condition. I promise from this day forward to be grateful for our love and our life, to be patient with you and with myself. These things I pledge before you, our friends, and our family.
Ang pinagsama ng Diyos, huwag baguhin at pakialaman ng tao. Divorce has no place in our church because we believe in the power of love. That love will last forever.
Sana maging masaya talaga yung magiging pagsasama natin at sana malagpasan natin yung mga struggles na darating pa sa relationship natin. Mahal na mahal kita.
Love, thank you. Thank you kasi ako yung pinili mo. Tsaka, maraming salamat sa lahat ng pag-intindi, sa lahat ng pag-aalaga. Pinapangako ko sa'yo na I'll always be here for you no matter what. I love you.
Baby, you know that I won't mind. We get no
is the meaning of pure love. A love without expecting anything in return.
Until you meet your chariot